Staging is one of the most overlooked steps when it comes to selling a home, and especially a vacant home. A lot of times when I meet with clients who are thinking about putting their vacant home on the market, they're actually scared about putting furniture in it because they think that it's actually going to shrink the home. Now, there's a misconception that once you put furniture in the home, it's going to make it look and feel smaller, when in fact, it actually makes the home look significantly bigger when you stage it correctly. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Mondays with Mario. Hang tight as I'll discuss why staging is extremely important if you want to sell your home faster and for top dollar. The key with staging is that you have to make it appealing to the potential buyers by painting a picture of how they can utilize a particular space. You want them to be able to see themselves and their own furniture in the home. Now, buyers can more easily do so if they're walking through the home that has some staging or some furniture in it, but not particularly clutter of a lived-in home. So for home staging, you want an artful display of sofas, rugs, lamps, and chairs with some artwork on the walls and a few knickknacks around to draw the eye. It can also be helpful in allowing potential buyers to visualize how they can use an awkward space. So the benefit of hiring a professional staging company is that they typically have access to a warehouse of furniture in different styles and sizes that they can access in order to find the look that's right for your home. They set it up for you so you don't have to, and then they take it away when the home sells. Professional home stagers like to depersonalize your home primarily by removing family photos and even taking your kids' artwork off the refrigerator. The idea is to make the potential buyer see the home as theirs and not yours. So you should also focus on decluttering by clearing spaces in the hallways, living rooms, and the kitchen where people spend most of their time. So the National Association of Realtors conducted a study, and what they found was that homes that were staged sold for 79% faster than homes that were not staged. And they also found that they sold for 4% above list price when they were staged. So the typical investment on a staged home is anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000, but the $2,000 to $3,000 that you spend is also netting 4% higher on the back end. So when you weigh out the data, spend the $2,000 to $3,000 and net the 4% more. It's an actual no-brainer. So that's the importance of staging. You have to provide vision to the buyers. You will have an initial out-of-pocket investment, but you're going to put more money in your pocket and you'll accomplish it in less time. So if you want to learn more about staging or schedule a free staging consultation with one of our preferred vendors, send me a direct message or let me know in the comment section below. I'd also appreciate it if you would smash that like button. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Mario Luanes, and I'll see you on next week's episode.